In this video, let's understand the difference between speed and velocity. Speed is the rate at which an object covers a certain distance, whereas velocity can be defined as the rate at which an object changes position in a certain direction. Speed is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity is a vector quantity. Speed can never be negative or zero. Velocity can be zero, negative, or positive. The average speed will continue to count even if the object changes direction. The velocity of the object changes with the change in the direction. Therefore, the object must follow one direction. Speed may or may not be equal to the velocity. An object may possess different velocity but the same speed. Speed is measured in meter per second, whereas velocity is also measured in meter per second.